can't be delivered to Aruba. Big surprise.
It cannot.
Let's feed the birds.
Feed the birds.
There's a Disney song about feeding the birds, but I can't sing it if we're gonna film.
Copyright.
Copyright.
Watch your feet. So this is our backyard with inflatable paddle boards, which we will talk about later. Then right here.
Oh, you found a new spot.
Oh boy.
You cleaned up my puke. Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. You can barely see its eyes. It's crazy.
And usually I do that.
Yeah, that's why I'm struggling.
Wait. Come to me, love of my life. You can leave your coffee there. And we can be a happy family. Sup, dude? Sup, guys? I need to use the thing. Can I use the thing?
Did it try?
It was doing ready to do this.
Oh.
But
After all we did for you, Cat.
after all we did for you. Wait, let me open this.
I got it. So funny.
You so funny.
You so funny.
Thanks, love.
Oh no, thank you. Bye, kitty.
Oh God. He's watching the birds. She's watching the birds. It's watching the birds.
Now it's scratching all the fleas off of it. So where did you get this bird feeder?
We made it.
Yes, how?
MacGyvering it. I don't remember what this was.
You always forget it was a cookie.
Cookie cutters.
It held cookie cutters. So during Christmas,
That starts in.
which starts in November, Luis, I came out here end of November.
Permanently.
Permanently. Not permanently.
No?
That was the trip before.
Oh yeah. Right before permanent.
So I came out in the end of November, and we had like a before Christmas together, as I was gonna have the last Christmas with my family in Colorado. Not really the last, because we're probably gonna go out there this year. But yeah, so we had like a pre-Christmas, and Luis hadn't done like all the classic Christmas stuff before, so we decided to get cookie cutters and all of the things. And after we did that, he wanted to make it into a bird feeder. So this was a cat.
That scared the heck out of me.
I was about to die. I just wanted to rub up against you. That's so funny that it tried to swat you at the same time, though.
Yeah.
Cats are weird.
It's so weird.
And that's a long story just to tell you that he wanted to make a bird feeder. He wanted to get a bird feeder. Originally I was going to buy him one for his birthday, but then I ended up getting him something else. Which will probably be in a video as well.
Eventually.
because those are fun as well.
Yeah.
But he wanted to make one, and so one day he grabbed this, which is just the cookie cutter packaging, and then this was for like
It was a lid for
a vitamin
protein.
Protein?
Protein shake.
protein shakes, and he just poked holes in it with the glue gun,
Yeah.
and then he glued it to this lid, and it works pretty well, and the birds come up and grab onto it a lot,
And the
cat
cat is
is coming. Hi, kitty.
So you are partially allergic to cats.
Yes, I am.
So that is the hesitation that you're seeing. It's not that we don't like cats or whatever.
Yeah, I was really allergic as a kid, but the allergies have gone down as an adult.
You know what's
But I never know, like, what's gonna, like, trigger them, you know? Because there's so many different species of cats.
mm-hmm.
What cat actually makes me sick? Oh, don't let it eat seeds, it's gonna get sick again.
Not my coffee.
It loves you.
What's wrong with this cat? Still following me everywhere. The bird feeder is. The cat is following us everywhere.
I think it likes you better than me, though, because you fed it. You just accept it at this point. All right.
You have problems, kitty. You have problems.
Animals usually do this to you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey. Don't bite your. Crazy.
Bite the hand that feeds you.
I love you.
Are we going in?
No, I'm just gonna bring the bird food inside.